This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Matthew Streff. Step into the comfort of this nearly new, 2023, Westway home in the sought-after Vista Entrada neighborhood in Rio Rancho. Entertain guests in the open living area while cooking up a masterpiece in the Bosch-equipped kitchen with level 5 Silestone countertops and upscale cabinets. Set on a generous 0.62-acre lot, you have space to breathe, enjoy outside, and relax while watching the mountain views. The 3-car garage, wired for EVs, gives you ample space to store your toys, cars, or convert a bay into a workshop. Go through the custom metal gate for backyard vehicle access to help make the back how you envision. Walls have been raised so you have even more privacy. Schedule a showing so you can decide to make this modern home and floor plan yours. For more information,